What's good, my people? Back again with another video, back again with another pair of ASICS, however you say it. I'll probably say both, and I probably will say both throughout this video. So we've got the normal plain brown box, or plainish, which I won't bother describing, but I will talk about the box label. So it says GEL-1130, it's got a style code, and then the colorway on this pair is cream/mahogany, size UK 10.5. If you want to read the rest, you can just pause the video here and then play it again. Let's get straight into this pair. So we've got the cream/mahogany colorway, definitely not just cream and mahogany on this pair. You've got hints of blue, as you can see straight away. This pair is definitely a Marmite colorway. It's either you love it or you hate it. I do think it looks really good on foot, as opposed to just here like this. As you can see, lots of mesh for the summer. So a good breathable shoe. We'll go through all the colors and all that good stuff, and then we'll talk more about the shoe itself. So the sole has got that aged type of cream color, and it's also got blue surrounding, as you can see. Then we've got blue plastic here and here, which also matches. I really like this kind of cream aged color on a lot of sneakers. I love it, to be honest. I really do like it. Some people are like, no, I don't want it, I want my sneakers to be aged, whatever. For me, I like it. That's all that matters. But yeah, midsole again, aged, and it's got the blue bits here. Then we've got that rubber on the back, a bit darker, a bit more like yellowed, oranged. The upper of the shoe, as you can see, is a lot of mesh, so mostly mesh, which keeps them breathable. And then on top of that, it's got these bits of design which is stitched in, as you can see, all here, all around the toe box, and even on the other side. So the mesh is obviously that cream colorway, and then on top it's got silver, brown and blue. Silver, brown and blue. This bit's kind of faded. It's like a effect. And then we've got a lot of silver and blue. Toe box, that cream color. The laces also that creamish color. I'm not sure if I like it or if I don't, I'll be honest. The whole tongue is mesh. And then on the top, this bit I really like, the way it says ASICS, or it's got the logo, and then GEL-1130. I really like that. And the tongue, it's got a good shape. On the inside, basically the same as the other side, however, it's a bit more brown on the logo. I don't know what they call this, I'll be honest. It's like a hashtag, but I'm not sure what the actual name is. And then yeah, on the inside, cream with the ASICS or ASICS insole. Removable, very easy. And I do usually, just to make them a bit more comfortable, take out my insole and replace them with something else that can be found online. Don't really have a brand name or recommendation like that. It's just whatever you prefer. But yeah, Marmite shoe. The colorway definitely looks better, I'd say, on foot with a nice outfit. Some people might not like these, which I totally get. I'm still 50-50 on them, 50-50 on the colorway. Yeah, I don't know what more to say about these. But yeah, silhouette, really nice, a lot of mesh. And the reason for purchase, mainly apart from review, is because the price, retail price about £95 if you're in the UK. I don't know how much that is in dollars. I'm going to say $110, $115 or something. Much cheaper than the Gel Keanu 14, 20, 12.1, whatever. There's so many different ones out now. So much cheaper than them. However, still got a good look to them. Comfort, mesh, what more do you want? But yeah, let me know if it's a cop or drop for you. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments, you will see an on-foot video of this shoe, sneaker, trainer, whatever you want to call them. And then also I'll post it on a separate video, basically following this one. But yeah, take care, my people.